CosmicMan is a text to image foundation model which has just been released by Shanghai AI Laboratory. The production and quality of this model is second to none, and I believe that this model will be at the top of the chart very soon. Cosmic Man is a text to image model specialized for generating high fidelity human images. Look at the images on your screen. These are all generated by AI by using simple text prompts. For example, let's look at the left image. The text prompt was a close-up portrait shot, an adult Indian female with a beige wall, above chest brown bun hair, short sleeve sari. Sari is a traditional dress in India and few other parts of the world. Now look at this image. This looks so real because of its high fidelity. Look at the attention to detail because it's an Indian female. So there is a bindi on the forehead. Then there is a jewelry which is typical from Indian subcontinent. And then look at the sari. And the sari is a typical dress, but the way she's wearing it, we can tell that it is a sari, and it's a brown hair, typical Indian features, amazing stuff. Now look at the second one. It's an adult Caucasian female, again, blue eyes, blonde hair, typical face cut of Caucasian female, amazing stuff, and also wooden fence. You can see at the back end, and it is not just any wooden fence. It looks real. It looks aged, amazing. Also, it's a sleeveless mesh solid color wedding dress, which you can see there is, and a blonde bun above chin hair. How good is that? And then similarly, at the last two images, the text prompt matches so closely with the images. For example, you can see that it is a Caucasian male, natural landscape, normal cotton blue t-shirt, and it has also um, generated it some sort of innovation in terms of these patches. And then again, same goes for the Caucasian child long sleeve. How good is that? Now, before I delve more into this, let me first throw a bit of a light on what exactly this um, project is trying to solve. Text to image foundation models, for example, Stable Diffusion, Imagen, and DALI, have made groundbreaking contributions in the field of computer vision and graphics. And we all know that, we all appreciate that. All of these models, which I have mentioned, have been fueled by expansive image text dataset and advanced generative algorithms, and they possess the capability to create images of remarkable quality and details. These models, underpinned by robust prior knowledge, have significantly enhanced a wide array of downstream tasks. But this cosmic man has taken it to a new level. Look at some of these potential downstream applications with Cosmic Man. Now, coming back to our previous models like Stable Diffusion, ST, Imagen, and DALI-E, they have done a lot of good works, and there are a lot of other projects in terms of downstream tasks such as Dream Booth, ControlNet in 2D image generation, and then we have Dream Fusion and 0123 in 3D object creation. But despite of these advances, a critical gap remains within the sphere of human-centric content generation, which is the absence of a specialized text-to-image foundation model that serves as a cornerstone for tasks on human subjects. In the previous research, tasks related to human-centric content generation like 2D human generation, 3D human generation has typically progressed in isolation, each relying on its own domain data. But there is also a key limitation, which is a data set used were often narrow in diversity, which actually exhibit biased distribution or lacked quality. Now, achieving generalization across a broad range of identities, appearances, and geometries in real world application, this has been challenging. Nevertheless, the emergence of text to image foundation models, which have excelled in the general purpose arena, offers a promising new direction to revolutionize human centric content generation with enhanced generalization capabilities. Now, the question is how to obtain a text to image foundation model for humans. Now, there are a lot of things which goes there. I'm not going to go into the detail. I will drop the link to in their paper and videos description and this GitHub project page where you can read all about it. But one thing I wanted to mention here is that these are the problems which Cosmic Man is trying to solve. It is a holistic solution of text to image foundation models for humans. Now, there are more generated results on their project page, and you can see that all of the human um, images which it has generated looks so real, such a high quality, and of such a high fidelity. Now, they have also introduced a new data production paradigm which is called as Annotate Anyone by Human AI Corporation, which can produce flowing, high quality yet cost effective data continuously. Annotate Anyone consists of two main stages: flowing data sourcing to get a flowing data pool with irrigated high quality human images from academic datasets internet, and then human in the loop data annotation to iteratively refine the labeling quality of the data in a pool at a fairly low cost. Then a data flywheel is constructed to produce vast amount of data in a dynamic, up to date and economical manner, which is well adaptive in the age of large scale foundation models. By running Annotate Anyone, they have constructed a large scale high quality dataset which is called as CosmicMan HQ1, which currently included 6 million human images with a mean resolution of 1488 by 1255. It includes rich annotation with high precision, around 115 million attributes, text, bounding boxes, key points, human parsings, and rich meta information. Now, empowered by this Annotate Anyone, Cosmic Man HQ continues to grow rapidly. And I think there will be lot and lot innovation and evolution we are going to see in the future around it. So there is a lot of great things happening in this one. Let me show you some of the stuff from this project page. For example, let's look at this data pipeline with Annotate Anyone. So you can see that there are two representative data protection paradigms. First, in the we have data production by humans, and then we have data production by AI. Their proposed new data production paradigm by Human AI Corporation, which is named Annotate Anyone, is here. It serves as a data flywheel to produce dynamic, up-to-date, high-quality data at a low cost, which we just mentioned. Okay, and then if you look at this diagram, let me make it a bit bigger. Now the dataset Cosmic Man HQ1 with 6 million high-quality real-world human images will be released soon. The statistical comparison between publicly available human-related dataset and Cosmic Man HQ is shown here, and you can see, the Cosmic Man HQ just is out of this league. And then there is this sort of the core element of their network where uh, the proposed training framework includes two parts: data discretion for decomposing text human data into fixed group that obey human structure, and then a new loss called as HOLA to enforce the cross attention feature actively response in the proper spatial region with respect to the scale of body structure and outfit arrangement. How good is that? And there is a lot of other things are happening in this one. For example, they have compared it with state of the art ones, and you can read through it, and all the state of the art which I mentioned earlier around Delhi, Mid Journey, Stable Diffusion, and so on and so forth. And you can already see the performance of Cosmic Man is amazing on most of them. So I believe one of the best project I have seen this week, I should say, and I have done a lot of projects. As if you are a follower of my channel, you know that. So amazing stuff. I think looks so real, so high fidelity, and it actually is doing what it is saying. And hopefully they will also release the code and weights, and then we will be able to maybe install it locally or on the Cole app. And as soon as I get my chance to do that, I will create another video of doing that. I will drop the link to this project page in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.